Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TurboTax for tax filing authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with TurboTax for tax filing, visit the official TurboTax website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address associated with your TurboTax account. Click on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully to avoid any errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, select the tax year that you wish to file. You will be taken to your dashboard where you can start the filing process. Proceed by choosing the option for File a new return or Continue your return. TurboTax may prompt you for additional. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any two-factor authentication. This may involve receiving a code via email or text message. Once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field. After entering the code, you may be asked to verify your identity further. This could include answering security questions or confirming your identity through other means. Once you have successfully authenticated, you'll gain full access to your tax return. Now you can begin the process of entering your tax information. Follow TurboTax's guided prompts to ensure every entry is accurate and complete. Make sure to save your progress regularly as you work through your return. As you finalize your tax return, review all the information for accuracy. When you're ready, navigate to the File section to submit your return. Follow any additional prompts to complete the filing process. Keep track of any confirmation emails or notifications from TurboTax regarding your submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.